Hello, my name is Amanda Vandenover and I'm here with Adam McAlpine from Porter County Stormwater Management. We are here on the new Seasons View Stormwater Improvement Project site where Adam is the project manager. Can you tell us a bit about the project?
Sure, Amanda. Yeah, so we're out here on Seasons View. This is a project that's under construction now. It is located southeast of the Lakes of the Four Seasons property, due west of Boone Grove Middle School, a couple miles away from there. So this is a project area that I've been working on. It started out as a drainage study to find out what the problem is, because some of the residents within the neighborhood were complaining of standing water that was staying for prolonged periods on their property. And so we studied the neighborhood and realized that we needed to modify the detention ponds that are out here. And kind of improve how they're functioning and flowing from north to south, because they tend to stay trapped on the north side. So we came up with a project, and it's underway right now.
Cool. So I hear that there's a bioretention area. Can you explain what that is?
Yes. So during the course of the study and the design, what we learned is that it's pretty flat from the north pond to the south pond. And as I worked with County Engineer Mike Novotny and we looked at different options, we decided, well, let's try something a little bit new. Let's try a bioretention area. And what that is it's an amendment to the soils. The soils out here in this part of the county are very silty, a lot of clay. So what that means is the water will stay trapped on the surface. So what we want to try to do is amend those soils by bringing in kind of a blend of sand, compost, and topsoil. And that's what you see right behind us in this pile is the topsoil and the hard bark mulch. And it's being blended now, and it's going to be taken into the sand. And what that will do is it will create a growing medium for the plants, but it will also allow for the water to infiltrate into the soil and stay off the surface.
I think we should pause and wait for this guy to pass.
Now we're going to pause for some action. So what they're doing right there is they're trying to put the hard bark mulch with the topsoil. This is a new practice, and so they're blending two of those ingredients together, and then from there they'll take it and they'll put it into the sand, and then they'll disc it in so we can try to get a uniform blend. But yeah, this is something it's new, and this is the approach the contractors decided to take. The contractor on this project is Grimmer Construction out of Highland, and they're doing a great job. The weather is really cooperating we had a little bit of rain on Saturday, but nothing of major significance, and this nice dry weather is really going to help them get this project done, pretty swiftly.
How much longer do you think it'll take for the project to complete?
I think we're probably looking at about 1 to 2 weeks for them to be just completely finalized. Once they do all of the major work to achieve substantial completion, then they'll come in and they'll loosen the soil where all this extra soil was placed, and then seed and restore the property, and then take care of the private residential driveway that's being impacted as part of the project.
Thank you for your time today, Adam.
All right, thank you.